Hiking in London Club in Virginia Water Cascades and Windsor Castle. I recently had the pleasure of taking on the Virginia Water Windsor Great Park, the Long Walk, and Windsor Castle Trail, starting at Sunningdale Station and ending at Windsor Central Station. The total distance of the hike is 10.6 miles, but I have to say, the stunning views and natural beauty along the way made it feel like a breeze. The hike is of moderate difficulty, with some uphill sections, but it's definitely manageable for anyone who's used to walking and enjoys exploring the great outdoors. I would recommend wearing comfortable shoes with good grip, as some parts of the trail can be slippery in wet weather. To get to the starting point, you can take the train to Sunningdale Station, which is easily accessible from London. There are also several bus routes that can take you to Windsor Great Park. Once you reach the starting point, you'll be greeted by stunning views of Virginia Water and the surrounding countryside. As you make your way through the trail, you'll pass by some of the most iconic landmarks in the area, including Windsor Great Park, the Long Walk, and Windsor Castle. The history of these places is fascinating and makes the hike even more enjoyable. Windsor Great Park was first established in the 13th century as a hunting ground for the royals. The park covers over 4,800 acres and is home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, foxes, and even the occasional wild boar. The Long Walk is a 2.65-mile avenue that leads from Windsor Castle to the Great Park, and it has been a popular spot for royal parades and processions for centuries. The highlight of the hike, of course, is the majestic Windsor Castle. The castle has been the official residence of the British royal family for over 900 years and is one of the most iconic landmarks in the UK. It's a truly breathtaking sight and the perfect end to the hike. Once you've completed the hike, I would recommend taking a well-deserved break at one of the many great restaurants in the area. Some of my personal favourites include the Carpenter's Arms and the Duchess of Cambridge. In conclusion, the Virginia Water, Windsor Great Park, the Long Walk, and Windsor Castle Trail is a must-see for anyone who loves hiking and exploring the beauty of the English countryside. It's a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the history and natural beauty of the area. So, lace up your hiking boots, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.